the last news for you, traveling on the Skyline Modo and my colleagues.
Holy Fatima, Monday morning 6 February 2022, an earthquake with a magnitude 7.8 hit Turkey and Syria. The earthquake was reported to have killed thousands of people and leveled buildings in the earthquake-affected area.
Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan himself revealed that the number of victims who died in his country so far is reached 70,674 victims, while in Syria there have been 3,376 victims. Meanwhile, the Syria Civil Defense Authorities said most of the fatalities in the country were in northwestern Syria. Syria is reportedly expressing a sort of body bags and coordinate disaster relief efforts.
There is already my colleague at the point of incident. Hello, monitor.
Yes. Ready with me, Widi at 61 News. I was at the scene of the incident.
Sure, may I ask for the time to be interviewed?
Yes, you can.
Since when did the earthquake occur?
Since yesterday morning,
Have you received assistance from this earthquake?
already since food, drinks, and clothing.
Okay, thank you for the time. Me and Widi are back again for qualifying. Thank you.
We from 61 News say thank you, good morning, and see you.